There's nothing quite like the freedom of the open road, especially when your road trip is in a Class C RV. The thrill of RV travel lies in its unique blend of adventure and comfort. It's about enjoying the journey as much as the destination. Class C RVs, with their compact yet luxurious design, offer an unparalleled travel experience. As RV travel continues to surge in popularity, the benefits of owning a Class C RV are more evident than ever. Whether you're an RV veteran or just starting out, these top 5 Class C RVs will fuel your wanderlust and make your journeys unforgettable. Now fasten your seatbelts as we take you on a journey through the top 5 Class C RVs that are ruling the roads. Let's dive right in with number 5, the versatile Jayco Greyhawk. This model is a blend of comfort and reliability, boasting a spacious layout with premium standard features. Its unique J-Ride Plus ride and handling package set it apart, offering an incredibly smooth ride. Coming in at number 4, we have the Thor Motor Coach Quantum. This RV is a true game changer, designed with a focus on luxury and innovative technology. Its standout feature? A seamless integration of smart devices, giving you control of your RV right at your fingertips. Our third spot goes to the Winnebago View. With its impressive fuel efficiency, this model is the perfect choice for eco-conscious travelers. But don't let that fool you. The View doesn't compromise on luxury, with its upscale interior featuring all the comforts of home. We're down to our top 2. At the runner-up spot, we have the Coachman Freelander. This model is known for its durability and spaciousness, with enough room to comfortably sleep 7 people. What sets it apart? Its ample storage space, perfect for those long-haul adventures. And finally, claiming the top spot, we have the Tiffin Wayfarer. This RV is the epitome of luxury on wheels. With its high-end finishes, innovative features, and unparalleled comfort, the Wayfarer is in a league of its own. Its crowning glory? The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, which offers a smooth, powerful drive, ensuring your journey is as enjoyable as your destination. And there you have it, the top 5 Class C RVs that offer the best combination of comfort, convenience, and unrivaled road trip experiences. So, are you ready to hit the open road in style and comfort? Let's quickly recap. We've journeyed through the top 5 Class C RVs, each offering its unique blend of comfort, style, and functionality. If you're contemplating an RV purchase, take some time to delve deeper into these models. Remember, the journey matters just as much as the destination, so choose your Class C RV wisely and make every mile of your road trip an unforgettable adventure.